everyone, we're back on Red Sack, and this time we've got a bird marble race edition. We have wren, Amazon parrot, blackbird, penguin, duck, macaw, African grey, house sparrow, Alexandrine parrot, robin, pigeon, blue tit, crow, and magpie. Now let's start this up. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go! They're off, and duck takes the lead, but quickly gets knocked by Amazon, and now Amazon is in the lead, rolling down. Meanwhile, magpie's far behind the pack. Here they go. They plonk down, and now the blackbird takes over the Amazon, quickly followed by penguin. Blackbird comes and is now approaching the spinners and is on the conveyor belt. And crow and blue tit keep on switching places. Crow and duck just launch up into the air like crazy. Look at Crow go! The blackbird almost made it to the finish line. Robin's still stuck here with Blackbird, but meanwhile Blackbird and blue tit are close together. It's between them, except for that penguin comes and now interferes. Maybe penguin will win. The Alexandrine parrot comes and the pigeon comes, knocking them, and there goes the penguin into the win. Okay, there goes blue tit, Alexandrine, then it was the blackbird, and then pigeon. Duck is coming. Will duck make it though? Will they? Yes, they're almost there. Duck makes it and is now the 5th place. I mean 6th. Here comes Magpie across the finish line. We've done more than half of the birds now. African grey and robin are fighting for it with Amazon. Meanwhile, launching freely is house sparrow, but just as I say that, house sparrow just takes second. African grey getting balanced on top of house sparrow. African grey and house sparrow are still slow, so let's speed this up a bit. And now here comes house sparrow and African grey to the finish. Here comes house sparrow, and now house sparrow make it. African grey makes it. Now it's down to these 5 birds. I'm going to speed it up now. Which one will make it? That's better. Now macaw is still trying to make it. Trying. Now they didn't. It's lots of 5 of them are just waiting there patiently there. Now macaw makes it. Oh my gosh, there goes Amazon Parrot round the corner. I've been waiting patiently, so I haven't been talking that much. But Wren's coming down, and Wren's almost there, but they stop there, and now they get flicked back into last place. Crow is coming. Now they're there. Almost, no, they're not there. Robin's going like crazy. But now they've gone backwards, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to speed this up more. That's better. Now, will the last three make it? And quick enough. Oh, come on, Amazon and Robin. Come on. You're almost there, Amazon. Oh, Amazon and Robin dancing around the finish line. They're almost there. Almost there. Come on. Oh. I guess they're too busy fighting for the lead. But Amazon is struggling there. Robin just got teleported upwards. That sort of gave Amazon an advantage, but it didn't, as Robin's still almost exactly in the place they were before. But now Amazon and Robin are still fighting. Can any of them make it? As soon as now, but they are making it. Looks like Robin's going to make it. No, they almost made it. Now here comes the Amazon and Robin. Robin tries to make it, gets swiveled around but doesn't make it. African Grey and Robin have still been stuck like this for a lot of. I wonder how long they've been like this. Oh, that looks better. Now it's going to make it. Robin makes it, and now Amazon is officially the loser. So let's pause this. Now let's throw them out into eternity. 3, 2, 1, bye-bye. Now that is the end of our video. So well done to Blackbird, and don't forget to like and subscribe.